in Algiers, and I don't know how I got here. Out of this is my bags, and I'm waiting for my friend. I guess he's coming, he's in the way. I can't see him, I'm waiting, come on. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need to sleep. I guess he's coming. I don't know if you can see his car, because it's alive. I guess it's him. Yeah, it's him. Probably. Yeah, get in the car. Sit back, please. This is our breakfast. See you guys after we eat. Let's do it. The guy is here. Oh, go. I miss you, baby. ايوه جيبك يسمك في القصرة. وش رايك؟
ايوه اروح شو معنا؟
اروح معي نرقد قريبة زي ما ركضت شارع. Yeah, so guys, what do you think? Huh? Oh, what we got here? What we got here, man? Let me open it. That's the surprise of today. Today is the day. Today is the day. Take it. احكم شو صار. Surprise! Huh? What's up, man? Do you see that? Huh? Yo! So, Vegas, it's time to tell you all the story what happened. Okay, I was at school. I was study at School of Fine Art, as you know. I don't know me, just wait me. I read the video introducing myself and I wish it will be professional. Okay, so Ayub called me and he tell me that I must come to Algiers. Why? Because he wants another painting. Okay, so now I'm in Algiers. Well, as you see, I will start painting this logo on the... Yeah, so after 2 days here for me, I'm going back to Batna and gonna meet you in Batna. See you.